Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited. And this one's in vivid black and it has the all black finish all the way through the exhaust too. Has the 114 cubic inch engine, and we have the rider and passenger floorboards. We have engine guards front and rear, and we have those lowers, which is really nice. We have the tour pack and the luggage rack. Really comfortable passenger backrest with their own speakers. This one has dual disc brakes in the front and ABS. Just a really clean, well-maintained. Just a nice, awesome, clean bike. Again, this is a 2021 Road Glide Limited. This one does have ABS, so come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.